Today I've brought to share with you all my all-time favorite protein-rich, highly nutritious probiotic Sattu drink. Hello everyone, welcome back to Dash of Delight. I'm Soumya. Sattu is an absolutely natural chickpea or chana flour with no preservatives, no artificial flavors and provides tons of health benefits. Now for those who actually don't know what is Sattu or are confused between chickpea flour and chickpea powder, which is besan and Sattu respectively, let me give you a clear picture. Look at this. This is the chickpea family. There are mainly two types of chickpeas. In fact, if you go in depth, there are many more types of chickpeas, but mainly and the most popular ones are two. First and the most common is the beige or white colored chickpea, which is also called as garbanzo beans, chole, kabuli chana or Egyptian pea. This is used to make so many recipes like chickpea curry or chana masala, vegan patties, burgers, hummus, falafel, and the list is endless. The second most common type is this dark brown or black chickpeas. This is also known as kala chana and is very popular in South Asian region or Indian subcontinent. These are much smaller than the white chickpeas and they range in color from dark brown to black. Now when these black chickpeas are peeled and split into two halves, it is called as chana dal. So basically, chana dal is not any lentil, dal or pulse. It is simply split and skinless black chickpeas. Then when this chana dal is further ground into fine flour, it is known as besan or chickpea flour, also sometimes known as gram flour. Gram because chickpeas are also known as gram in some regions. On the other hand, instead of being peeled and split, when this black chickpea is dry roasted, it looks something like this and is also called as bhuna chana or simply roasted chickpeas. And when these roasted chickpeas are powdered, then this powder is known as sattu. So basically, besan or normal chickpea flour is raw and cannot be consumed without cooking. On the other hand, sattu is a powder of already roasted or cooked chickpeas, so it can be consumed without cooking as well. So I hope I managed to tell you the difference to some extent. Still, if you have any further queries or confusions, please let me know in the comments box and I'll try to answer your questions to my best. So for this sattu drink, take 1 cup of sattu in a bowl, then add water in batches and make thick batter out of it. Once you are done with the batter, blend everything in a blender jar or simply you can carry out this whole process in a blender jar or you can use hand blender instead. This process will ensure there are no lumps. Now start adding few ingredients. Here goes 1 onion finely chopped, half teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1/3 teaspoon black salt, 1/3 teaspoon normal salt or as per your taste. Then sprinkle some chaat masala powder, 1/3 teaspoon white sesame seeds or til. Then add handful of chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. Then squeeze in half lemon or lime. This gives a really good tangy flavor to the drink. And that's it guys. Enjoy this yummy yet super healthy sattu drink with your whole family. You can also add few ice cubes if you like. So swap your unhealthy carbonated drinks or sodas from your refrigerators with this naturally delicious beverage. This is Soumya signing off. Please subscribe to Dash of Delight if you haven't yet. I'll be back soon. Bye bye.